today we have Logitech wireless gaming mouse. It's mainly for gaming. We're going to quickly unbox this one. This is from Logitech. The full name is Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. You see the icon. So here's the mouse and the battery. This is the Duracell battery, I think. Yeah. And here's the USB cable for extension if you want to extend your wireless. Yeah, that's it. So here's the power button. You can see the power is on. You need to put this on your CPU. So I'm going to quickly connect it. So it comes with 4 different DPI options: 400, 800, 1200 and 1600. You click and the color will change and the DPI will change. So blue is for 400, I guess. Then orange is for 800. Purple is for 1200, and there you go. It's back to 400. Yeah, this is the 4 actually. The white is 400. Yeah. So white is 400, and then blue, orange, pink, and green. The grip is very nice, as you can see, and the mouse is small. Also the weight is less.
We have few other items in the box: the manual, the warranty card, and a sticker. Let's jump straight into the specifications. It comes with 4 colors. You might not get all these colors available. So it has a hero sensor with maximum 12,000 dpi, 6 buttons which is programmable, including the scroll wheel button, and the response time is 1 ms. You can read this on the website. They have some details on it. The initial battery life has 250 hours. I have replaced with a Panasonic NiMH battery, which is rechargeable. You can do that too. Warranty is 2 years, and in the requirements it mentions the G Hub. Now we're going to download the G Hub. You can search for G Hub on the Google and you can download it. I'm going to download it for Windows. So when you open the G Hub, it looks something like this. Over here you can see the mouse name G304, then the battery life. Over here you can customize the buttons as you want. You can also put macros. There are some other settings you can just explore. If you want to change the DPI settings, you go to this tab. Then you can change the DPI based on the color. These are the colors we have seen previously. Also, you can change the mouse report rate. And with that, I think the video ends here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh, what the fuck? Nice one, man.
We will remember.